Purezidenti Museveni arangiriire enkora ya master plan egenderire kweza ekizibire Karamoja kutunguka obwabire nabugana bebembezi b'ekyanga eki omu district ya Kotido. Purezidenti Museveni abira ry'omukyanga kya Karamoja omuhururu y'okurwanisa obworo.
Of course, in the past, you know, you are marrying many women. But the children were dying. Dying from diseases and from war. So all this huge number of people is because of peace and because of immunization.
Omwaka gwa 1996 Parliament ekatandikaho enkora yayesurwe Karamoja Development Agency KDA okuyamba ekyanga ekyokutunguka omu by'amagara eby'obuhingi n'oburiisa hamwe na n'oby'obwegyese. Omu nkora ensya Purezidenti Museveni nagira ngu Karamoja burugombo rushemerire kutunga damu ibiri z'amaizi ngu bije bagaruke kunywezamu ebyokwerinda batunge amashanyarazi omu bicweka omu gatadi.
So therefore this program will be maintained.
A program na PDM naga era program na tapagenda kan kotere todolo to ada ngalo parish.
Each year we send 100 million for the parish.
Angolo karu a millionaire pay miat lo parish. Ki karu kan lo chakana ga polon a millionaire mianga kan lo parish.
And I have told the banks to stop deducting from the 1 million. You must get the 1 million full.
Ali mogina banka tamar mama kutubunga delenga ngetunga. Kete mar lo prima million pok bamna bata mar be bala da tuberelo ko dere be ay de nyeli putu
the government is the one which will pay the bank charges.
Apukane ma de tata jang le ngalo ele muna itungana ni ana bank le ngalo PDM.
Now in 1 year 100 families in the parish get.
Omurukiko rwitabirwemu abebembezi bono kuruga mu district za Karamoja ezirumu Abimu, Amadati na Kapiripiriti, Kotido na Biratuku, Kalenga na Paka, Kabongo, Kotido hamwe na Moroto. Abandi abebembezi bakuru okuruga mu government betabira mu rukiko aba basimire President Museveni ahabwo kutamana minjo mu kurwanisa obworo mu Uganda.
If I were having the powers, I would grant everything the Karamojongs have asked for. But all in all, the party is saying we are very happy with the people of Karamojong.
I'm happy to inform you that we did the mobilization in all the constituencies that constitute this region. We did the mindset change trainings.
I want to inform you, fellow leaders, that 35% of all the commitments by government are so far fulfilled. Then 49% are the ongoing projects, like you have already been informed by the ministers.
The theme of this dialogue or this presidential tour is securing your future through wealth creation and shared prosperity.
Omuhururu ni yemwe hona President Museveni araganise kusasira eminyeto eyakwasirwa habwo obushuma bw'amatungo na nokushanga bine ebyo kurwanisa mu bihenda biragiro. Omurutaya y'urwo mucyanga eki President Museveni abena abugana bebembezi abarisa hamwe n'abahinzi.
So me, I see 3 primary things.
Number 1
was peace, which we now have. Number 2, mindset change.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Sengendo Abdul Karim.